Hello friends, welcome back to Technique, and this is Normal here, and in this video we'll be doing the charging test of the new budget device from Redmi, the Redmi 12 5G. So Redmi 12 5G comes with the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chip. It's one of the first devices in India and even globally to power this chip, and this device comes with the MIUI 14 and Android 13 out of the box. So it's one of the really good looking device out there. It also has a 5000 mAh battery and supports for 18 watt charging. Now we have a 22.5 watt charger included in the box packaging, but it supports only 18 watts. So in this video we'll be doing the charging test of this device from 1 to 100% and see how much time that takes to charge this device. So it's really good device in terms of design and features being offered. So let's see how much time it takes to charge the 5000 mAh battery. So let's begin. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So right now we have the Redmi 12 5G, the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 powered, and we have a glass finishing. So let's also check the settings. So we'll just show you here. So Redmi 12 5G, and we'll just show you the detailed specs. So Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 platform, and you can see that this has Android 13, and you can see the detailed specs here. 5000 mAh battery, and this supports only 18 watt charging, but you get a 22.5 watt adapter. So this is a charger which generally Xiaomi ships. So 18 watt is supported. So let's get started with the charging test. So right now we'll just connect the device to the charger. So you can see here now charging has started. We'll start the timer as well. So you can see here quick charge. So this supports the regular quick charge, that's 18 watt charging. You don't get the super fast charging like the 33 watt or 67 or 120 watt. So it's a very basic 18 watt charging because it's a budget device. So let's come back at around 10 minutes of charging and see how much battery this device has. So now we are into 10 minutes of charging. So let's have a look at the temperature or the battery. Before that temperature also we'll just check. 34.9, kind of normal, I guess 33, 34, and you can see the battery right now around 11% battery on this device. So 11% battery with 10 minutes of charging, almost 1% in 1 minute, now close to 11 minutes, and you can see here 12% battery. So it's pretty standard or kind of slightly slower charging. 18 watt is not the fastest right now, so that's the charging speed. Let's come back at around 20 minutes of charging. So now we are into 20 minutes of charging the Redmi 12 5G. Let's see how much battery this device has. So 20 minutes, you can actually see that we'll just take this. So 20 minutes of charging, you can see exactly 20% battery. So again, 1 minute 1% battery is the fill rate. So probably you might take around more than 100 minutes or 120 minutes to charge this. So let's wait for that to finish. So let's come back by the way at 30 minutes and see how much battery this device has. So now we are into almost 31 minutes of charging, slightly over 30 minutes. So let's see how much battery this device has. So you can see here 31 minutes of charging, 30% battery. So it's slightly slowed down from 1% in 1 minute. So 31 minutes, 30% battery. Let's come back around 45 minutes of charging and see the battery percentage on the Redmi 12 5G. So now we are into 45 minutes of charging. Let's have a look at the battery on the Redmi 12 5G. So 45 minutes, 44% of the charge is completed. So still it's not half of the charging completed. So 45 minutes is over. Probably in 1 hour you will get 50% of the battery, because it's an 18 watt charging. Is definitely going to take a lot of time, almost close to 2 hours is what I believe. But then we'll wait for it. Now let's see that 45 minutes, almost 45% now. Let's come back at around 1 hour of charging. So now we are into 1 hour of charging, that's 60 minutes of charging. Let's see the battery right now. So 60 minutes, almost 61%. So it's still going at 1 minute 1% fill rate. So 61% of the battery is completed in 60 minutes of charging. So let's come back at around 1 hour 15 minutes, or rather 75 minutes of charging. So now we are into 75 minutes of charging, that's 1 hour 15 minutes. So 75 minutes of charging, and you can see that now 76% of the battery is completed. So almost same rate it is going at 1 hour 15 minutes or 75 minutes. It is 76% of the battery is completed. So going by this trend, probably another 25 minutes it should be up. So let's see how much time that takes. So let's come back at around 1 hour 30 minutes of charging. So now we're into 1.5 hours of charging. That's 90 minutes of charging is completed on the Redmi 12 5G. Let's see how much battery this device has. So 90 minutes, exactly 90%. So it's going at the same rate. So probably in the next 10 minutes it should be up to 100%. So we'll come back at around 1 hour 40 minutes to see if it is reaching 100% and completing the charge. So let's come back at around 1 hour 40 minutes. So now we are into 1 hour 40 minutes. Let's see how much battery it is there. So you can see here 96% of the battery is completed. So you can see here 96% of the battery is now completed in 1 hour and 41 minutes. So 4 more percentage is remaining. So let's complete the charging and report the final values. So now in 1 hour and 58 minutes, you can see here it's showing charged. That means 100% charge. So you can see here charge to 100%. So that is the time taken, 1 hour 58 minutes. That's almost close to 120 minutes. The first 96% completed in around 1 hour 40 minutes, and the last 4% took almost close to 18 minutes to complete. So that slowed down drastically, and the total time taken is 1 hour 58 minutes and 40 seconds to charge the Redmi 12 5G with the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chip and 5000 mAh battery. So that is the charging test of the Redmi 12 5G. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.